10 most powerful trucks in the world. Only the bottom. The first place is too redundant to eliminate the dead machine and hit the road by yourself. Truck. In my impression, I am just a coolie transporter who works silently. Their power and technology have gone beyond measure. Microwave oven refrigerator. Up to a 3-story building with a full load of 600 tons. Caterpillar. A Porsche in a truck. Driverless moving palace Peterbilt 579. Or the most beautiful. This issue follows global sin. One is busier than the other. Looking forward to your subscriptions and likes. Have you ever seen a truck towing a? Are you driving on the highway? And the outback highways of Australia? He's like a meek. Silently, transporting goods weighing hundreds of tons from mountains. The FH16 is the flagship of the Volvo truck family. The 16 in the name comes from his 16-rod diesel engine. Like a tireless torrent, it can last for hours. And in the cab, but still as quiet as in a family car. The most admirable thing about him, it's being able to use that great power very. Don't move in a hurry. Doc, thanks to his intelligent transmission system. On slippery roads, even in winter, there will be no panic. This truck, like a closed generator blade, tens of tons of steel beams, an FH16. His drivers are often the envy of their peers. It's like having a throne on the highway. Founder's cab seems designed for long-distance combat. Not only mighty. After all, every bit of fuel saved on the highway. In the world of heavy trucks, he is also a symbol of durability and stability. Let the movement of the pole and the stability of the pole become the same thing globally. 9th place is the heaviest. Then Caterpillar 7972 is the ancestor of the behemoth. He walked humans with dynamite and shovels. Split mine pit. If you subtract 797F, you will feel yourself. His height approaches that of a 3-story building. Just one tire weighs over 5 tons. The weight of the vehicle when fully loaded. One of the largest moving bodies on Earth. His task was simple and crude. Hundreds of tons at a time. The weight of this is due to the stance displacement of nearly 117 liters. Thunder in a low voice to my brother. But don't think he's just a big, strong guy. It also takes into account the extreme conditions of the mining area. Dust, mud. These are just everyday things for him. Braking systems and driver assistance equipment. Make sure the driver is in the high cab. In the mines, 7972 is not just a means of transportation. It works seamlessly with giant forklifts. A shovel-shaped chamber is poured directly into the firebox, then shuttled at a steady speed between the mine and the processing area. It means the sunrise tonnage of the mine can be much larger. From the sky. How many 797? It's like a giant tan train. Resolute and leisurely, but the most stable at one time. Let him deserve to be the 8th best off-road in the world of trucks. The fate of most models. On a straight national highway, a strip covered with mud, wild roads across rivers and hillsides. With more than a century of military service, and the T815 series is one of the legends. No ultra-luxurious cab, but just give him one. He just pass calmly. It is a unique central museum frame. And the simple answer is structure allows the whole vehicle has amazing to operate axial in off-road mode. Independent claw grip. He can still move on. Even some professional military armored vehicles hope. The common driving form of the 815 series is 6
There
times
are even
68
more
exaggerated
times
10x10 versions. Strong driving force, waterproof and breathable system, and super weighting ability. Marsh, snow, mountain. It is not only a good helper for civil engineering. Body 815 is often seen in transporting barycenter even weapons, as a missile launch platform, in disaster relief and polar expeditions, etc. In the video of the off-road challenge, the rivers or boulders of mercy, the engine roared low, then like a beast of steel. The temperament of this natural wild deer become a representative of the most off-road capable trucks. If a truck can be a work of art on the road, Mike Intel National Longstar. He broke the tough industrial feel of traditional trucks. Design style mixed and matched with retro. Longstar's exterior design is very unique, like an open mouth, domineering, smooth lines and body contours. It's like the perfect combination of a muscle car and a classic truck. Not only handsome, but also easy to maintain. The pursuit of balance and
Driving
learning
is the same cloth
The
book
appearance
inside.
is made of high-quality materials. Create a warm and luxurious atmosphere. Equipped with a wealth of technical equipment, advanced sound systems and intelligent connected systems. And here's what's interesting. The owner can choose the color according to their preference. Create your own personalized truck. Or the future of technology. In terms of performance, energetic, capable of handling a variety of complex long-distance transportation and heavy-duty requirements. Guaranteed driving stability and comfort. It's a status symbol. It's all about craftsmanship and design. Demonstrate the driver's unique taste and attitude. Peterbilt 579 and beyond. Sitting at the pinnacle of the high-end market. A dream palace. A top 579. You know, this price is almost a Tesla Model S Plaid. Even a Mercedes S-Class with a long wheelbase. Imagine that. The luxury and performance of these luxury cars. Peterbilt 579. Comfortable and high-end powered big guy. Let's talk about the ingredients first. Solid wood trim and metal details. The workmanship is fine. Every line shows quality. Heating and ventilation. Central control system and navigation. Highly intelligent. Let's talk about safety and driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise, top-level configurations such as
Ensuring
collision
the
safety and comfort of long-distance driving. It is the strength guarantee behind the high price. This truck, powerful and fuel efficient. meet the requirements of various complex working conditions. Can't help but mention the legendary models in his family. He is in the movie Transformers. Classic retro styling and tough lines. And 579 represents the pinnacle of family modernization. So Peter built 579. It is unparalleled for drivers. Level mobile space for truck drivers who pursue the ultimate in quality. 579 is undoubtedly a worthwhile investment when you mention the luxury driving of trucks. Yes, it cannot be bypassed. A luxury house with 5-star facilities. It also enhances the happiness of long-distance driving. Extreme attention to ergonomics and comfort. High-quality soft leather seats are used, even if you drive for 10 hours straight. Excellent silence in the car. This allows drivers to focus more. It comes with a large touchscreen. Center console supports navigation, entertainment, and traffic monitoring. There is also an intelligent voice control system in the car. Broadcast navigation or answer the phone. The lighting system is equally luxurious. Automatically adjusts brightness and color. There is also a large refrigerator and microwave in the car. Stay away from fatigue and hunger. Spacious sleeping space, equipped with premium mattress and adjustable lighting. And there's something more intimate. Charging port. Make all kinds of essential items can be stored in an orderly manner. Available. Security aspects. Includes lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Ensuring safe long-distance driving. Intelligent cruise control helps reduce the burden of driving. The Volvo VL8H60 is not just one. He uses extreme comfort, redefining the standard for luxury trucks. Ford F450 Super Duty. He is more than just a truck. Facing the mud. He's not afraid of anything. The L450 can be easily controlled. This L450 Super Duty carries a 6.7-liter Polesto. Maximum bull run up to 1,900 nanometers. Ready to explode with strong thrust. We're climbing mountains and mountains. It has a reassuring power reserve. It's a 4-wheel drive system. Allows vehicles to easily navigate extreme rough road conditions or a mountain road paved with gravel. The L450 can charge forward steadily. Defend against branches, scratch damage of stones. Truly worry-free in the wild. Support multiple driving auxiliary features. Electronic differential lock and traction control system. Enhanced driving safety and handling stability. It can also easily handle various complex road conditions. Can tow loads up to 13 tons. With a specially designed trailer braking system. Safe without discount. Whether it is industrial equipment or off-road trailers. You can do it. All-terrain movers moving mountaintops. Ford is on the L450. Such as intelligent 4-wheel drive surround view helps drivers gain a comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's surroundings. Accidents from happening. Ford F450 Super Duty. More power, intelligent and durable all-terrain overlord. It turns no road into a road. Really take you to places that others can't go. On the battlefield of transporting oversized cargo, the heavyweight champion who carried the flag. It's one machine. Why do you say so? A daunting supergiant, from wind turbine blades. Easy to handle. The core advantage of this S650. It was his incredible frame. Chassis made of high-strength steel enables him to withstand extreme loads and torque. Keep the body as solid as a rock. No deformation, no loose. Imagine that. Transporting such overly long goods. Scania S650 and sophisticated electronic stabilization systems. Not only can it ensure the safety and stability of the goods, reduce pressure on the road surface, and not only that, the powertrain of the S650 is equally powerful. Make it on steep slopes and rough roads. Make sure the goods arrive at their destination on time. Powerful braking system and intelligent driver assistance technology. The frame of this truck is very sturdy. Therefore, it is particularly suitable for transporting very heavy goods or shipping huge steel structures. It is undoubtedly not the stage for the S650 to show off its talents. For large businesses and drivers, select the Scania S650. It's not just a shipping machine. Make extreme transportation manageable and efficient. Maybe the driver for a whole week, maybe even longer. The bumps in the road and countless refueling breaks. The degree of importance is by no means comparable to that of ordinary passenger cars. Officially so. His cockpit is more than just a console. For example, the seat can not only be adjusted 360 degrees. Spine stops protesting when driving for long periods of time. Brings a cool breeze in the hot summer. The cold winter is as intimate as a heater. Don't underestimate that. Resting on the side of the highway at night. There's no noise. Woke up the next day feeling refreshed. Driving is safer. All buttons and touchscreens are designed smoothly. Drivers don't need to take their eyes off the road as often as possible. Security is greatly improved toward adaptive cruise and lane keeping. The sleeping area is also a highlight. Comfortable mattress and soft lighting. Space to rest. For many drivers, this is when they are far from home. In terms of fuel economy, optimized for good performance. It is environmentally friendly and saves money. MAN TG's 8640 understand the hard work of long-distance drivers. We prioritize rest and quality of life. His comfort is not superficial. Let the driver really feel. The first place is the smartest. Then the Tesla plug door is to drive into the smart electric. It's more than just a truck. Electric drive and intelligent networking. It is revolutionizing the traditional model of the freight industry. It's equipped with the most advanced autonomous and driving system, hardware, autopilot, lane keeping, intelligent cruise, and other auxiliary features. Whole car height digital design. Intuitive and convenient operation. As a pure electric truck, sound driving experience completely solve the noise of traditional trucks. The problem of heavy pollution. The long-term costs of urban environmental protection and operators. However, battery life has always been the focus of electric trucks. Tesla semi-officially announced. Close to the needs of most long-distance transportation, chlorination, climate, and other factors. battery life will be reduced. It also directly affects operational efficiency. The charging wait for electric trucks remains a challenge. Extensive supercharging network greatly shortens the charging time. The high efficiency and low maintenance cost of electric motors. As battery technology continues to advance, and the popularity of charging battery life anxiety will gradually ease. It is the future of intelligent transportation. It can be integrated with Tesla's solar and energy storage systems, driving the transportation industry towards sustainable development. There is also a reality test. Technology and environmental philosophy towards a more intelligent. He is very likely create a new era of freight transportation. Which one would you most like to own? Remember to subscribe to like, share,